Gusto kong umiyak pero parang yun. What's up guys, Tata Boy here and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to smash the notification bell for you to be notified for my next video. Alright, today we are going to make another reaction video for the song We Heal as One. Yes, yung song na yan guys ay kinanta kanina, ni-release kanina. At yan po ay inawit ng mga local artist natin. At dito guys, pinapakita nila na talagang magsama-sama tayo, magtulungan tayo, walang kanya-kanya. So without further ado, samahan niyo ako guys.
Handog namin itong kantang to para sa lahat ng Pilipino. Tayo na po't magkaisa at magtulungan para malagpasan po natin ang pagsubok na ito. Stay home. Tara, sabay-sabay nating awitin.
Stay home. Together we are being called to make a future world. The test we face is for us to prove that we can heal as one.
Sawari mo'y nag-iisa.
Lahat kanya-kanya,
Ngunit di man nagsasama.
kaya pang
Ops.
magkaisa.
Isa sa pag-iingat.
Isa sa ating dasal, laging nagpapatunay
Na tayo'y magkatao pa.
Together we are able to make a future world. The test we face is for us to prove that we can heal as one.
Wow, grabe. Yung message niya guys, sobrang tagos sa puso. Yung bang talagang sinulat, inaakma sa panahon natin ngayon. Grabe. We really need this kind of song. Okay, let's go back. We heal as one.
We heal as one. We serve, we share, we show compassion. We heal as one.
Sawari mo'y nag-iisa. But when we heal as one.
Wow. It's seeing local artists in one frame. Album.
Sa
Talagang sobrang ang
pag-iingat.
ganda, no? Pinapakita talaga na dapat magkaisa tayong mga Pilipino. At sinimula nila
Sa ating dasal, lahing
Christian.
nagpapatunay na tayo'y makatao pa.
Together we
Sarah Geronimo.
are being called to make a future world.
Test we face
Bamboos.
is for us to prove
That we can heal as one.
is when we heal.
compassion, yung kindness, yung pagtulong, yun yung dapat ipairal natin, guys. Sino pa ba? Tayo mga Pilipino lang din ang nagtutulungan. So dapat lang na magkaisa tayo.
We serve, we share, we show compassion. We heal as one.
So honey mo'y nag-iisa.
But when we heal, we heal as one.
With kindness.
Wow, guys, to all frontliners like doctors, nurses natin, saludo kami sa inyo, guys. We are praying for you. Alam namin na kayo din naman, may pamilya kayo. Gusto nyo nang umuwi sa mga kanya-kanya niyong tahanan, pero nandyan kayo para magserbisyo. Maraming salamat sa ginawa niyong mabuhay kayo.
We heal as one.
We serve, we share, we show compassion. We heal as one.
Sa wari mo'y nag-iisa. But when we heal, we heal.
Yes, we will heal. We heal.
Yes, we can heal. We heal. We heal as one. We heal as
Stay safe, stay home. Yes. So the song, so heartwarming. Natamaan talaga ako. Natamaan sobra. Gusto kong umiyak pero parang yun yung emotion ko kasi masaya ako kasi nakita ko yung pagtutulungan, yung pagkakaisa. Feel ko na meron tayong pag-asa. We have this hope, guys, na balang araw malalampasan natin yung anuman meron tayo ngayon. Yes, alam ko, pagsubok lang to. Tinitest lang tayo ni God kung paano natin harapin ang mga pagsubok na to. So, kailangan kapit-bisig tayo, magkaisa tayo. Guys, I'm encouraging everyone to say a little prayer. Sama-sama tayong manalangin, guys. Together, let's shape our worries into prayers, guys. So, let's be united to fight for the same cause. I think that's all for now. Again, this is Tata Boy, and thank you for watching. Hakuna Matata.